Colonial rule introduced several new art forms, styles, materials, and techniques which were creatively adapted by Indian artists for local patrons and markets in both elite and popular circles. You will find that many of the visual forms that you take for granted today, say a grand public pub building with domes, columns, and arch, a scenic landscape, the realistic human image in a portrait or in popular icon of gods and goddess, a manufacturing printed and mass produced picture and their origins in the period we will discuss in this chapter. To understand this history, we will focus primarily on the change in one sphere, paintings and print making. Next, when you look at a work of art, a painting, etc., it may not be obvious that, like most other things, art too is influenced by the world around it. You may not realize that what you see also shapes your own ideas. In this chapter, we will be looking at the change in the world of visual arts during the colonial period and how these changes are linked to the wider history of colonialism and nationalism. Next, from the 18th and 19th century, a stream of European artists came to India along with the British traders and rulers. The artists brought with them new style and new of painting. They began producing pictures which became widely popular in Europe and helped shape Western of India. Next, European artists brought with them the idea of realism. This was a belief that artists had to observe carefully and depict faithfully what the eye saw, what the artist produced was expected to look real and lifelike. European artists also brought with them the technique of oil painting, a technique with which Indian artists were not very familiar. Oil paintings involved artists to produce images that looked real. Next, not all European artists in India were inspired by the same things. The subject they painted were varied but invariable. They seemed to emphasize the superiority of Britain, its culture, its people, its power. Let us look at a few major trends within imperial art. Next, one popular imperial tradition was that of picture shape landscape paintings. What was the picture shape? This style of painting depicted India is a quaint land to be explored by traveling British artists. Its landscape was rugged and wild, seemingly untamed by human hands. Thomas Daniel and his nephew William Daniel were the most famous of the artists who painted within this tradition. They came to India in 1785 and stayed for 7 years. Journeys from Calcutta to northern and southern India. They produced some of the most evocative picture-shape landscape of Britain's newly conquered territories in India. Their large oil paintings on canvas were regularly exhibited to select audiences in Britain, and their album of engravings were eagerly bought up by a British public new to know about Britain's empire. Picture 3 and 4 is a typical example of a picture square landscape painted by the Daniels. Notice the runs of local buildings that were once grand. The building are reminder of past glory, remains of an ancient civilization that was now in ruins. It was as if this decaying civilizations would change and modernize only through British governance. Next.